Going under contract on a home is an exciting step into the home buying process, but now it is time to ensure this home is exactly as it appears on the surface. At this point in the process, it is important to get a home inspection. The reason it is so important is to ensure that you are aware of what you are investing your money into. This inspection will be done on the overall condition of the home and all of the systems that are inside of it. A home inspector is a third party hired by the buyer to complete a thorough review of the property and all the major systems. During the inspection, the inspector checks all the major aspects of the home, including the roof, foundation, electrical, plumbing, and everything in between. The inspector provides a report to show you what is and isn't functioning properly or possibly is a hazard or safety concern. The home inspection is not required but highly recommended to anyone buying a home. There are a few other inspections that can be done by the buyer. Those are pest inspection or a wood-destroying organism inspection, 4-point inspection, and a wind mitigation inspection.
Depending on the age of your home, in order to get home insurance, the insurance company may require you to have a wind mitigation and a 4-point inspection. A wind mitigation is a visual examination of a home's ability, or lack of it, to withstand damage during a windstorm. Some common items that are being looked for are doors and windows designed to withstand wind pressure and projectiles, storm shutters or panels that protect your windows, and then roofing materials and coverings that are rated to resist high winds and water intrusion. Next would be the 4-point inspection, which is used by the insurance companies to determine your home's level of risk. The 4 main things that are being looked for in a 4-point inspection is the electrical, plumbing, roof structure, and HVAC system. When filling out the report, a home inspector will have the option to list the age, overall condition, material, and basic type of each of these categories. The results of your 4-point inspection will determine which carriers will insure you or whether they will even insure you at all. If there are items on the 4-point that show concern, you may be asked to fix that item to obtain insurance coverage. If both the wind mitt and the 4-point are good, that could also lead you to get discounts on your insurance coverage.
Another inspection that is not always required but encouraged in the state of Florida is a pest inspection, or called a wood-destroying organism inspection. From a lender view, this inspection only required on certain loan types, but can become required if an appraiser deems it necessary. This inspection is one that the buyer will pay for out of pocket. The inspector will comb through both the interior and exterior of the structure, looking for any evidence of bugs, wood decay, and other hazards. Specifically, they are looking for wood-destroying insects such as termites, beetles, carpenter ants, and carpenter bees. They will also be looking for any previous treatments that have been completed. If this is a required inspection, your lender is looking for what we call a clear report. This means that the report is marked as no visible signs. If the report comes back as dirty, meaning visible signs of treatment or repairs will need to be completed and a new report will need to be done.
This brings us to the appraisal. This inspection is important to ensure that the home you're purchasing is valued at what you have agreed to purchase the home at. The purpose of the appraisal is to determine the fair market value of the property. This inspection is performed by a third party through an appraisal management company who chooses the appraiser. The appraiser will review the condition of the home, confirm the room count, and check the square footage as well. The report will include pictures of all of the rooms as well as the exterior. The inspector is going to look at the home and other homes in the surrounding area that are comparable to determine the value. You may hear these other homes referred to as comps. The appraiser allows the lender to know the loan amount is correct and the house is worth enough to secure the loan. It's a valuable tool to provide you with peace of mind that you are not overpaying for your new home.